Namaste to all. In this short audio, we will understand two things. Number one, whatever Vedas say, that is called as Dharma. And number two, whatever Vedas denies, it is called as Adharma. Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati has written a book called Rigvedadi Bhashya Bhumika, in which he has mentioned a very, very detailed description about Dharma in one full chapter. I read some 4 verses from Upanishad and Shastras, which I was very much moved, so I wanted to share with you. First verse is from Mundaka Upanishad 3/1/5, which says, Satyena labhyas tapasa hayesha atma samyak jnanena brahmacharyena nityam antah sharire jyotirmayo hi shuddho yam pashyanti yatayah srinadoshaha. That means who are the people who are realizing Almighty God is mentioned in this shloka 3/1/5. Maharishi writes, this Atman, that means this Almighty God, is attained by the means of truthfulness, right knowledge and constant brahmacharya alone. The yatis are those people who possess self-control. The yatis whose imperfections have been destroyed, they only see Him, that is, see the Almighty God, the pure effulgence residing within their own body. God is attained by the practice of true Dharma alone, as mentioned in this Upanishad sloka. The next sloka, Upanishad, Mundaka Upanishad 3/1/6, is very famous, but we just know the first portion of the sloka, which says Satyameva Jayate. The full sloka is like this: Satyameva Jayate Nandritam Satyena Panta Vitato Devayanaha Yena Kramantaya Rishayo Hayat Kama Yatra Tatyasya Paramam Nidanam. Tat Satyasya Paramam Nidanam. The meaning of this is truth alone triumphs. Truth realized in conduct ever conquers. Through the truth, man always becomes victorious, and through untruth, that is, action opposed to Dharma, he comes to defeat. The Devayana, that is the path of the learned, the road of emancipation, which is the giver of unending bliss, is illumined and widened by truthful conduct alone. By taking the road illumined by the performance of the true Dharma, the sages obtain what they desire and arrive there where is the abode of truth, that is the Brahman, and enjoy the bliss of emancipation forever and ever, which cannot be gained otherwise. Therefore, all should act according to the Dharma and forsake Adharma. This is the meaning of this Mundaka Upanishad sloka 3/1/6, which clearly says we should follow the Dharma and forsake Adharma. Now, what is the definition of Dharma? Vaisashik Shastra says, Yeto abhyudayanihi shreyasa siddhihi sa dharmaha. That alone is to be recognized as Dharma, which leads to the desired happiness in this world and also to the highest bliss of emancipation, that is the moksha. That which is opposed to this is called as Adharma. And also Dharma definition is mentioned in Mimamsa Shastra 1/1/2 by the Rishi Chodana Lakshano Artho Dharmaha, which means that alone is to be known as Dharma, which has been enjoined to be performed by the Vedas. And that which has been prohibited by the God in the Vedas is called as Adharma, having no substance in it. It ought to be given up therefore by men. That means we have to give up Adharma and we have to take up Dharma at any cost for us to attain the emancipation or the moksha. This is very clearly written by the Rishis in their various textbooks, as well as Maharishi Dayananda Saraswati concludes the last paragraph like this: all these extracts are only an amplification of the teachings of the Vedas. God has thus preached the Dharma for the sake of all the men in a great number of the Vedic mantras. This is the only Dharma for all the men. There is no second Dharma different or separate from it. So God never creates Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, Parsi, Jain, Buddha, etc. God creates Dharma. God makes the way of life, the Dharma, through the Vedic mantras alone. When we follow the Vedas, we are following the Dharma path. When we are following against the Vedas, we are doing Adharma. This has to be very clearly understood, and we should strive to make contact with an Acharya of Vedas to understand Vedas and also follow the Dharma path. I hope you understood the audio. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.